In this video, learn how to auto-update in Windows 11. Press Windows key and go to Settings. In the Settings, left-hand side click Windows Update. In the Windows Update, from the right-hand side press Check for Update button. Press Windows key and type Services in the search bar. Press Enter. Services Windows appears and find Windows Update. Double-click on the Windows Update service to open its Properties. In the Windows Update Properties window, under the General tab, you will find the Startup Type option. Startup Type is set to Automatic. Click on the Apply button to save the changes, and click OK.